Low water pressure is one of the most common bathroom complaints, and the right shower head makes a measurable difference even when the supply pressure itself hasn't changed. Here are 5 of the best high pressure options available right now on Amazon. 1. AquaCare High Pressure 8 Mode. The AquaCare is the most reviewed high pressure handheld shower head on Amazon, and independent pressure testing across multiple supply conditions confirms its performance holds up in real homes, not just in ideal lab conditions. Independent testing by rosenberryrooms.com in 2026 measured the AquaCare's output at 30, 50, and 80 psi supply levels. Standard municipal water pressure sits around 60 psi, but older homes, upper floor apartments, and rural properties regularly fall below 40 psi. Now, at 30 pounds per square inch, the lower end of real-world low-pressure conditions, this head maintained usable, satisfying output where several competing models produced a weak, unsatisfying stream. That supply range consistency is what distinguishes a genuinely high-pressure head from one that only performs well under ideal conditions. The 8 spray settings include rainfall, power massage, mist, pause, and 4 combination modes. The power wash setting concentrates flow into a high-pressure stream strong enough to clean a full tub surround, confirmed in independent testing to complete that task in approximately 12 minutes without scrubbing. The 72-inch stainless steel hose is 24 inches longer than the standard 48-inch hose on most handheld units. Plus, that extra length reaches the floor of a walk-in shower without bending and extends comfortably to a seated position for elderly users or anyone with limited mobility. 2 wall brackets are included, an overhead adjustable bracket, and a low fixed bracket for seated use. The removable flow restrictor allows full 2.5 gallons per minute output where regulations permit. Backed by a lifetime guarantee with over 54,000 verified Amazon ratings at 4.6 stars, this is the most field-tested option in the list. 2. Speakman S-2005-HB. The Speakman S-2005-HB has been supplied to luxury hotels for decades, and the internal mechanism that earns it a place in this list is a verified engineering feature, not a pressure claim printed on the packaging. Inside the head, a set of patented spring-loaded plungers actively builds water pressure as it passes through the unit. Most fixed shower heads are passive. They simply allow incoming water to exit through nozzles at whatever pressure the supply line provides. The Speakman plunger mechanism compresses and redirects incoming flow before it reaches the nozzles, increasing output pressure independently of supply pressure. In homes where the supply falls below 40 pounds per square inch, this internal mechanism produces noticeably stronger output than any passive head at the same supply level. The 50 full coverage spray nozzles surrounding 8 targeted center massage jets provide 2 functionally distinct outputs from a single head. The AnyStream 360-degree rotating T-handle transitions infinitely between intense massage and combination settings. No preset clicks, no dead zones between modes. That continuous transition gives precise control over the spray feel that preset selector rings cannot match. The body is solid brass with a chrome-plated finish. Brass does not crack at the thread joint under years of thermal cycling the way plastic bodies do. A durability distinction that matters over a decade of daily use. Available in 1.75, 2.0, and 2.5 gallons per minute versions to suit different regional water use regulations. For a homeowner who wants a fixed high-pressure head with a proven pressure building mechanism and hotel-grade build quality, the Speakman is the most structurally credible option in this list. 3. HammerHead Showers. As the HammerHead is the most mechanically straightforward high-pressure head in this list, and its pressure performance follows directly from one specific design decision, a 2-inch face diameter with fully metal construction throughout. Standard shower heads spread 2.5 gallons per minute across a face area of 6 to 12 inches. The HammerHead concentrates that same 2.5 gallons per minute through a 2-inch face. The physics are simple. The same volume of water forced through a much smaller exit area produces significantly higher pressure per square inch at the point of contact. For buyers whose primary requirement is the strongest possible stream, that concentrated nozzle geometry delivers it more directly than any pressure boosting mechanism. Every component, body, nozzles, pivot ball, and connection is solid metal. Most consumer shower heads use a plastic body with metal look plating. Plastic threads at the shower arm connection develop microfractures over years of thermal cycling and regular hand tightening. Metal threads do not, which is why this head carries a limited lifetime warranty against those failure modes with confidence. The rotating knob adjusts the spray pattern from a concentrated jet to a slightly wider fan without tools. The brass pivot ball allows up to 23 degrees of directional adjustment after installation, so the stream can be aimed precisely rather than fixed at a single downward angle. Independently reviewed by rosenberryrooms.com in 2026 as delivering among the strongest per nozzle pressure output of any tested model in its category. For any household where the priority is the most direct, a concentrated high-pressure stream available at this price point, the HammerHead is the most purpose-built option in the list. 4. Delta. Intuition 2-in-1. The Delta. Intuition solves a problem that most combo shower systems do not. The handheld unit and the fixed head are the same single component, which means switching between them requires no adjustment to the water valve and no drop in pressure between modes. The patented design nests a fully functional handheld unit inside the fixed shower head. When docked, both components operate as a single fixed overhead head. When the handheld is pulled free, it operates independently on its own 1.75 gallons per minute flow, while the fixed overhead head can continue running simultaneously or be paused via the diverter. And that simultaneous dual flow option means one person can rinse under the overhead while directing the handheld to a specific area without interrupting the main flow. The Pro Clean Spray setting is a high-pressure wide fan mode specifically engineered for cleaning shower walls and doors. Delta's own testing and independent confirmation places its cleaning speed at more than twice that of a standard spray pattern, a measurable performance advantage for the routine task of rinsing soap scum off tile and glass after showering. The Magnetite magnetic docking system holds the handheld securely in the overhead bracket without a traditional cradle or clip. It releases and reseats cleanly with one hand, which matters in a wet environment where grip is reduced, at 1.75 gallons per minute. This is the most water-efficient option in the list, making it the right choice for buyers in California and other states with strict plumbing flow regulations, or for any household where reducing water heating costs is a priority, backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty across both components. 5. SparkPod. High pressure. The SparkPod is the most independently tested and editorially endorsed budget shower head in this list, and its pressure performance at reduced flow rates is what separates it from competing heads at the same price point. Independent testing by rosenberryrooms.com at 35 pounds per square inch, a supply pressure level common in older homes and upper floor apartments, confirmed the SparkPod delivered a satisfying shower experience where standard heads at the same pressure produced a noticeably weak output. That low pressure performance is the specific claim that Bob Villa, Consumer Reports, and the rosenberryrooms.com lab have all independently confirmed, which is an unusual level of editorial consensus for a product at this price. The 90 self-cleaning silicone nozzles distributed across the 6-inch face are the delivery mechanism behind that performance. The nozzle density, 90 individual jets across 6 inches, means each jet carries more concentrated flow than the same number of nozzles spread across a 10 or 12-inch face. That geometry maintains usable per nozzle pressure even when total supply pressure is low. Calcium and limescale buildup is the most common cause of progressive pressure loss in any shower head, particularly in hard water areas. The flexible silicone nozzles dislodge deposits when rubbed with a finger during the shower, as in maintaining consistent output without chemical descaling treatments. The reversible flow restrictor switches between 1.8 and 2.5 gallons per minute. Tool-free installation onto any standard half-inch shower arm takes under 1 minute. With over 59,000 verified Amazon ratings, this is the most buyer-validated budget option in this list by a significant margin.